this is Miranda from My Scrappy Life, and welcome back to my channel. I am super excited to do this cut file from Confessions of the Paper Addict cut file shop. I decided to do the woven heart one, just one of the hearts, because I didn't want to do the intertwining heart. What I wanted to do is that I took the negative and the positive and put it together. So as you can see here, I am gluing in all of these pieces that will essentially stick down, and then I'm going to come in with a bunch of glue dots or dimensionals from Close to My Heart, and you will see me putting the last bit of the layout of those papers down. So you can see that the negative is sitting, or positive, however you want to look at it. I don't know the difference. And honestly, sometimes I really don't care. But essentially, either one of them, whichever one is what, is sitting on my Cricut one. And so what I'm doing is that I'm going to get this all glued down so that this is straight. And then I'm going to start to put different things on it. So, but first, I want to do some splatters. And you do see the splatters afterwards. Not probably as much in the layout and on the video and or in the still shots, but in real life you can see, like, underneath the dimension, that you can see the hearts, or I mean the splatters, I should say. So I'm just doing that, and then you'll see me come back with half the heart done after this dries, and then the rest of the heart I will do on camera. Now I am using the collection from Close to My Heart, and I will link everything that is still available down below in the description, so that if you are interested, you can certainly purchase it as well. I really love this collection. I did a back to school layout with this, and now with my photo, I am doing a photo with my Gabers. He is definitely my little sweetheart. It was a military family that I watched quite a bit. We became really good friends, still good friends, obviously. And they moved to their new duty station during this pandemic, this crazy pandemic, back in June of last year. And so, obviously, I seen him. This is the one that I was able to be in the delivery room. I just love this, I just love this little guy. I love this family, and we certainly miss him. But I wanted to do this photo because this is one of the first times I was able to watch him, because Mom was able to get this little dude to take to a bottle so that their little quote-unquote auntie, as I was called, would be able to watch this little tyke. And so I was super excited for that, because I was able to watch. They have 3 boys, and I watched all 3 boys. Man, they're a handful, let me tell you. But anyway, they are, it was just like one of those moments that I was able to capture with the little guy, and he was happy and content, and I was able to hold him, but I always held him anyway because I just love this little guy. And yeah, and he had his eyes open and all that jazz. So here I am, I'm layering up the photo, and I'm doing all of that. Make sure that you go check out the Confessions of the Paper Addict cut file shop. Obviously, I absolutely love Virginia's cut files. I use them quite a bit. I was actually able to be featured in the Spring Creative Scrapbooker layout that you will see coming up here shortly, just on my Facebook and Instagram, where I had 2 layouts in the magazine, and I absolutely love this. This is my 5th time being in their magazine, and I have just been featured with all different types of stuff. But the one thing that I will say is that I always give recognition everywhere that I've used things, and time and time again, Virginia's cut files always get me to be in the be in the magazine, as long with obviously just my layouts and whatnot. But one of her cut files was featured in there, as well as just 2 of my layouts. And that should have hit your guys' if you guys get it, or if you want to go check it out at like the shop or whatever, or at like Barnes & Noble or any of that sort, you definitely can go check it out, because I'm pretty sure that it should be out there sometime today. Like, I got mine in the mail today, so I know that they've got to be coming out shortly if they're not already. So make sure you go check that out, because it's pretty awesome. There's actually quite a bit of people in there. When I went to look at it, I was like, there's actually quite a bit of individuals that are in it. So make sure you check it out and check out everybody, because I know quite a bit of them. So if I know quite a bit of them, I'm pretty sure y'all know quite a bit of them too. When I am doing this voiceover, I had this layout done for a while, but when I'm doing this voiceover, it is Thursday or Friday Eve, and thank God for the weekend. Because, let me tell you, I love my kids and all, but jeez, this week, I think it's been the rain, because we haven't been able to go outside and burn some of the just plain old energy off. And truly, I know it's because of the rain and all that, and it just, we need sunshine. We've been under clouds way too much. So, any of you north people, take your weather back. It would be greatly appreciated. But I'm just putting down all of these bits and bobs. These are the wood veneer pieces for this collection. And I really love this collection. I think it turned out... I love the pieces that they put together. And I just love this layout. Wait until you start to see what I do with the liquid pearls and the stickles. I think it worked out really, really... I am so sorry. Really, really well. Let's see here. I add this typewriter. Doesn't even bother me. Don't know why I added it. I just thought it looked good. Worked out well for me. I kind of wanted to get, I guess, the thirds of the black and white, and I had happiness is, and it says this, and that's in black, and then I put home, that's in black as well, and so I wanted a third black down below, and that worked out. So now I'm just placing little bits and bobs of the embellishments, the stickers on this, and then I do come in with stickles and pearls. Here it is. And you'll just see me kind of play around with it. I start out with the stickles, I put them on there, and I wanted to add color and sparkle. And I do take some good still shots of what I've done with the liquid pearls and the stickles. So you'll see that at the end. But I'm just taking the colors. The colors that I use, I will link down below for you so that you can see. Now, I took the liquid pearls and literally covered the whole flower with it. I just marked it and made sure it worked. And it turned out well. And it turned out where I didn't have to add that much more or add anything to the embellishments, so that worked out perfect. Let's see here. I am just putting the colors all around. I use the liquid pearls on my dots, and you'll kind of start to see what I do to just add a little bit of, what's the word I want to use, pizzazz to this layout. And it just adds just that much more, and it works wonderful. So I hope that you guys are all definitely staying safe, staying warm for sure. Because I know how cold I am here in Georgia, and I see what Texas and some of them other states are going through. And I'm originally from North Dakota, if you're not sure and you're new to my channel. I am originally from that area, so I definitely know the weather a lot. So, yeah, I know what cold is, but southern cold is very different than northern cold. And that's all I'm going to say. Like, people complain about and they'll tell me like, well, you should be okay with, I'm like, no, you don't understand. Like, this weather down here is very different than the cold weather up north. So, yeah, I completely commend you guys. I hope y'all are staying safe and warm and just getting through the junk of 2021 now. I told y'all, it's drunk now. This is what we're getting. I mean, this is crazy talking, but, you know, I'm just saying. But I'm almost done here. I'm just adding a few little things, and I do add my Gabers onto the title. And then that is about it. My still shots are coming up. Make sure that you like and subscribe to my channel. I hope that you all are staying safe. Have a wonderful day, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.